it's time for another unboxing. I personally think that this is an early gift for me from my wife. I know completely what it is because she asked me if I wanted it. We were looking for something like this, but you guys don't know what I want or what this could be. It is from Guthrie, Kentucky. So, pretty large box here. It actually came a couple days ago, but I only want to do one unboxing a day. Let's see. What we have here. Oh, there's a note. And a couple of Ziploc bags. And it says here, thank you for your purchase from Blackberry Woodshop. Assembly instructions are in the back of this paper. If you are happy with this purchase and the service you receive, please share your information with your friends. If you have a problem with the order, please contact us. You have our website now. For a limited time, use code 50 off, that's 50FF, to get 5% off. Oh, 5 off. Get 5% off on your next purchase at www.theblackberrywoodshop.com. You can also follow us at Blackberry Woodshop on Instagram to see new items. Hope you love the new bench, Ron. This is a bench, and his instructions are just text by text instructions. Let's see what this looks like. Unassembled, of course. One of the legs looks very nice. Another one of the legs. It does have a very nice smell. It's got a nice stained smell to it. Boy, Ron, you really did a great job packing this in here. There we go. Making sure that none of that, look at that, that's a beautiful wood. And it looks like it's got these little numbers stamped right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, so he really helps you line up the pieces. And so there's the top part of the bench. This looks like it's going to be one of the braces at the middle of the bench. So, and here we have all the various screws and things. You'll have to just take it from my imagination that this will be a very beautiful bench when it's assembled. I'll show Krista these wonderful parts. Looks like Ron did a very nice job putting this together. He certainly did a great job of packing this, because nothing came out across dented or I love it when people take the time to really figure things out. And I wonder which came first, the box or the bench, because that bench fitted perfectly in this box. So again, nice job to the folks at the Blackberry Woodshop. Thank you very much, Ron.